All right, here is a long-term update on this Power Acoustik PD 650B. So yes, this does have Bluetooth. Had it a couple years now, and yeah, all in all, it's been a good radio. Now definitely looking at newer ones, you can tell the screen quality isn't quite as good, but still always connects with Bluetooth no problem. As you can see, every now and then it tends to want to think about it, like right there. I had to hit the back button several times. It's done a couple small funny things as far as making weird sounds when it's turned off or when you exit the vehicle. Never had any problems with the CD player. Takes a little bit to press that in. Like I said, Bluetooth's always worked fine as far as hands-free talking and listening to music. Yeah, just wanted to give a little update on this. I'm probably gonna upgrade to a newer double-din stereo soon, but so that would maybe Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. But yeah, just wanted to let you know that it's been a good stereo overall. A few little quirks, but yeah, overall I'd recommend it for the price it was. Couldn't beat it. But yep, there's the Power Acoustik PD 650B.